How to create email signature in Yahoo Mail on computer. On the right side of your Yahoo Mail homepage, you can see here the gear icon. Okay, you'll have to do is click this and go to more settings. Now here in more settings, on the left side of your screen, you can see here the writing email. Okay, go to this. Here in writing email, you can see here the signature. And okay guys, you can see my email on this. And on the right side of this email or signature, you can see the switch button. And okay guys, to create email signature in your Yahoo Mail, you'll have to do is switch on the switch button on the right side of this signature. And now you can see the box. And now you can create a signature. So for my example, okay, I type subscribe to my channel. And okay guys, after that, okay, you can add or change the color of this subscribe to my channel. So you can add emoji. So for my example, I add emoji. And also you can add a link. So click this link and add a link. So for my example, I add my YouTube channel link, www.youtube.com/c/Richard Cabile. And after you create a link on this box or pop-up, click save. And now you can see the link on this signature or box. So you can change the letter into bold. Okay, click this. And also you can change the letter into italic. Okay, click the italic. And also you can change the text color by clicking this and change the color into yellow. So that's it. And also the fonts. So for my example, I change the fonts of this link. So I change into modern wide. And okay guys, after that, click the three dot button on the right side of this style and you can see the more option. Okay, click this and you can set the settings. Okay, for example, I set into center, align this signature. And after you create a signature, so okay, go back. Okay, click the back to inbox button here on the left side. And now, okay, we can create a message or email with signatures. Okay, click the compose. And for my example, I create a message or email. So now you can see my signature here with link and emoji. And that's it guys. We have successfully created email signature in Yahoo Mail on computer.